What's up, everybody? This is Matt Sloan from Sensory Fitness and Lackey Kid, here to give you your sensory health tip of the week for our Sensory Adventure Club. Are you ready? Today is obstacle course. Okay, I'll show you an example of one you can do in your house. You can do it 1,000 different ways. Here's one example. We got our guy Willie. Are you ready, Willie? On your marks, get set, go. Go up and over. Boom. He's hopping up on that thing under there. Oh, onto the couch. Whoops, go back. Onto the couch. Hop up. Hops on the couch. He's going to leap over. Whoa, there it is. He's going to jump. He's jumping on the pillows over there. On the white pillow there. Hop, hop, hop. Whoopsie daisy. He's turning left. There he is. Hopping over the gray blanket onto the floor. Hopping over onto the couch. There it is. Hopping over the white. Oh, get up there. Hopping over the white one onto. Oh, let me get your pillow. Let me get on your butt on the pillow. Bottom on the pillow. Scoot around. Scoot. He's gonna scoot to the bathroom door. He's gonna touch the door. He's gonna touch the bathroom door with his right hand. Boom. He's gonna touch the bedroom door with his left hand. Boom. He's gonna scooch that towards me. Towards the knot. He's gonna scooch towards the knot. There it is. He's going to stand up. He's going to undo the knot as best he can. Ooh, it's a complicated knot. Ooh. Can he do it? He just has to untangle it. Working on fine motor planning, problem solving, shoulder stability, grip strength, bilateral coordination. The list goes on and on. Oh, he's almost got it. He's almost finished. Oh, that's a tricky one. He's got it through the loop. Once he's done, he's going to run over. Oh, he's got it! And he's going to run over to the stools. He's going to get on his belly. Oh, you're cheating. On his belly, under the stools. He's going into belly crawl. There we go. Working on that extension. Fantastic. Building up all those. Oh, here he goes. Building up those strong muscles on his back. Pulling him forward. Oh, yes. He's going to stay on his belly, and he's going to do the figure 8. Staying on his belly. He's going to follow Dad on his belly. He's coming, come this way. Here he's following Dad. He's doing the figure 8. Oh, this way. He's turning left. There he goes. Keep going. Oh, on your belly. If you can do it. There we go. Challenge by choice. You're doing fantastic. We're almost there. We're doing the figure 8. The infinity sign. We are crossing midline. Oh, we're coming towards Dad. Oh, bonk. Watch your head. Be careful of hard objects. Here we come around. He's coming around the corner. There he goes. And he's going to hop up onto the black thing, whatever that is. Hopping up there. Jump down. He's going to grab his marker. He's going to do infinity signs 10 times. There he goes. 1. Keep going. 1. 2. Figure 8 style. Whoops. 3. We'll work on that. There we go. Whoa. Go all the way around. 4. It's okay. 5. If we don't get it right away, that's okay. 6. 7. Now I know what to work on. 8. Oh, there we go. 9. And 10. He's going to grab the balloon to blow it up the balloon. Oh, we get a big circle. He's grabbing the balloon. He's going to blow up the balloon as big as he can get it. Oh, he's going to let the dog in for extra credit. There he goes. Blow up the balloon as big as he can get it. Oh, bigger. We need bigger. And see how big he can get it in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, now let it go. And all right. Put up your hand and say, I am awesome. All right. High five, dude. All right. Get downstairs. Get to work. Okay, so obstacle courses can be set up 1,000 different ways. Here's another variation with a different kid in a different obstacle course. Here we go. Ready, Reggie? Okay, on your marks. Get set. Go. Big jumps. Oh, I'm in the way. Oh, gosh. I'm in the way. And he's going to do the digga. Lots of input. Walking on the There he goes. Cross crawls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double foot jump to the couch. Double feet, double feet, double feet, and back. Cross crawls again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Pillow scoots. Pillow skateboards. Here he goes. Can you do it without the hands? Oh, there he goes. No help, no assistance from the hands. He's doing fantastic. He's going to make it to the stool, up the stool. There he goes. On the counter. Oh, get your tush off my counter. There he goes. Over to the other stool. There he goes. Whoa! To the other stool. Static electricity dance. Oh, sorry, my bad. On your tummy. Oh, bear crawls. That's right. He's gonna set up. Oh, what's this? What is this challenge? What is this obstacle? Setting up some dominoes and knock them down. Oh, lots of fine motor going on here. Pace it down, break it down a little bit. On our bear crawls. There we go. Bear crawls. Lots of heavy input to our wrists. There we go. Static electricity. Watch out for the dog. Rex, you're wrecking the whole thing. Rex, get out the way, Rex. That's an obstacle. Go! Static chart. Static dance. Static dance. Building up lots of static electricity on our feet. Lots of sensory input on the bottoms of our feet. There we go. He's going to solve our math problem where Dad don't put the marker. Oh, it's on the floor. That's another obstacle. Where is it? Oh, he found it. There it is. He's going to solve some math problems. So we're going to bring it into the cognitive. Doing fantastic. Is he right? Yes. Is he right? He's got to figure out the missing piece. Is he right? Okay, there he goes. And some ball beats. 1, 2. Whoopsie daisy. Always good to throw in a coordinating activity. 3. Try to catch him. 4, 5. Go to the non-dominant hand. It's just 5, and then he goes to the other hand. 1. Whoopsie, a little more challenging. 2. Making it bilateral. Crossing midline, making it a coordinating activity to fire those neurons and to find slow it down. We're also pacing. 5. And yeah, and time. How about a bow? Hippopotamus. All right, high five. Woo! So those are some examples of some obstacle courses you can do. Keep them easy. It doesn't have to be complicated. Use whatever you have in the house. Pillows, markers, dominoes, games. Add in crawling, climbing, jumping, all these big gross motor activities. And then also add in those fine motor and cognitive activities as well. Because then you pace it and you're slowing them down and they have to stop and think. And then you get big movement and they have to think and problem solve. And then big movement and then I have to do a fine motor and focus. So you're hitting all these points that we've talked about in these other last videos. Obstacle courses are a great way to tie a lot of things together, and you can always mix them up, add new rules, take things away, add a new challenge. You make one up, you make them up together, and then have the kiddo make them up. Awesome way to get a lot of sensory input, have a lot of fun during the day, and maybe even get some work done in between. Always trying to trick, get the angle to get something done, okay? Hope they helped. Sensory health tip of the week. Obstacle courses, oh yeah!